Hello everybody, this is Syncretic 3D, and in this tutorial, you will learn how to create sparkling stars in Blender cycles. Starting off with this plastic shader, which you can see how to build up above, we will add a Voronoi texture for the stars here. Let's do 25 for the scale, and plug it into a color ramp, and bring these sliders over. Let's make this 4D for later on. And give the plastic a black color. And raise the roughness just a little bit. Let's mix it with a emission shader. And then plug the texture into the FAC. Let's raise the strength on this. Let's open up the graph editor to animate one of these values on the Voronoi. Press I to animate the W value. And then let's add a generator modifier to the animation. Just make sure to give it a very low speed. So I'm going to divide my value by 5. That looks like a pretty good speed. And that should finish it up. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.